Off today? Both is? Hey,
I'm
how's
cooking
your
dinner for the Grant.
Huh?
I'm cooking dinner for the Grant.
For food?
Grant.
Grants?
Yeah.
Oh, they're here? It's her first two paws that are bad. Is that, did
Yeah,
you
no.
notice that?
I know.
Oh, don't say ow.
Oh, I know. Oh.
It's her first two paws that are, the others are bad too, but the first two are the really bad ones.
You put that on YouTube, Sam?
Huh?
Yeah. Ow.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh.
She hurt you?
She dig it in, Ma.
She's gonna bite your boob.
No.